The Galapagos Islands lie in the Pacific Ocean, straddling the equator 1,000 kilometers west of Ecuador in South America. The Humboldt Current, rich in marine life, flows through the archipelago and cools the sea. 19 main islands and numerous smaller ones make up a land area of approximately 8,000 square kilometers. Most islands have both Spanish and English names. The largest island, Isabella, is about 132 kilometers long. The smaller ones are mere rocks. Although all are of volcanic origin, scientists do not know exactly when the underwater eruptions began, or the order in which the islands of the archipelago emerged above the sea. Evidence of volcanism is everywhere. On most islands, the coastal region is rough and arid. Here and there between the lava are small sandy beaches. In what little soil has been formed in the lava rubble, cactus and small shrubs often grow to the ocean's edge. Occasionally, where land meets sea, salt-tolerant plants, such as the mangrove, green the edges of bays and lagoons. On the smaller islands, there is only the arid vegetative zone. Larger islands, such as Santa Cruz and San Cristobal, have 3 or more vegetative zones. Just beyond the shoreline on Santa Cruz is an arid, nearly impenetrable zone of spiny shrubs and cactus. Next is a transitional zone where tall trees and cactus mix. Above this is the most fertile zone, an area kept moist by mists and occasional rain. The Scalesia tree, native only to the Galapagos and a relative of the common sunflower, thrives here. Food crops are grown in this area. Higher still is the Myconia belt, which consists principally of dense ferns and the endemic shrub Myconia. Both grow up to 3 meters in height. At the summit is the upland zone, composed of ferns and grasses, which cover the slopes of extinct volcanoes. The Galapagos Islands have been called the Enchanted Isles. Darwin described them as a world within itself. In their oceanic isolation, the process of natural selection has transformed plants and animals into many unique products of evolution. To provide as much protection as possible for the native plants and animals, and to promote scientific research, in 1960, the Charles Darwin Biological Station was established on Santa Cruz Island. In 1968, the government of Ecuador made the archipelago a national park. UNESCO proclaimed the Galapagos National Park a World Heritage Site in 1978.